What if the next Land Rover Discovery Sport stopped playing it safe? This 2027 concept imagines a Discovery Sport that's bolder, tougher, and far more premium than the one we have today.
Take one look at this concept and you'll immediately notice something. This doesn't simply refresh the current Discovery Sport, it completely changes its personality. When I put this concept together, the goal wasn't to make a few cosmetic tweaks. It was to imagine what the Discovery Sport could become if it embraced a stronger, more premium, and more adventurous identity while still feeling unmistakably Land Rover. And I think that's exactly what makes this design so interesting. Because if you've seen today's Discovery Sport, you know it's refined, practical, and comfortable. But it's also fairly understated.
This concept takes the opposite approach. It wants to make an impression before it even starts moving.
The front end is where that transformation begins. The slimmer LED headlights immediately modernize the SUV, while the wider grille and cleaner body lines give it a much stronger road presence. The redesigned bumper, larger air intakes, and rugged lower skid plate make it feel like it's ready for far more than the school pickup line. It looks expensive, it looks capable, and most importantly, it looks like something that belongs beside the larger Defender and Range Rover instead of sitting quietly in the background. Move around to the side and the proportions continue that theme. The body looks longer, the stance feels wider. The large wheels, squared wheel arches, black cladding, and clean shoulder line give the SUV a planted appearance that the current Discovery Sport simply doesn't have.
Instead of looking like a crossover with off-road capability, this looks like an SUV that was built for an adventure first.
Around back, the transformation continues. The slimmer LED taillights, cleaner tailgate, and more sculpted rear bumper create a much more upscale look. Everything feels simplified without losing character. That's actually one of my favorite parts of this concept. Nothing feels over-designed. Every line has a purpose, and the overall result feels significantly more premium than today's model. Now imagine this parked beside the current Discovery Sport. The difference would be dramatic. The existing model has always leaned towards subtle elegance. This concept leans toward confidence. It's bolder, it's tougher, and it carries the kind of presence buyers now expect from modern luxury SUVs.
That matters because this segment has become incredibly competitive. To stand out today, you can't just be good.
You have to be memorable. That's exactly what I wanted this concept to accomplish. The rugged styling gives it real presence. The cleaner surfacing makes it feel more expensive, and the overall proportions give it an upscale appearance that could easily justify sitting higher in Land Rover's lineup. That's something I think many buyers have wanted for years. The Discovery Sport has always been practical. Now imagine it becoming desirable at first glance too. That's a powerful combination.
This concept is simply my vision of where the Discovery Sport could go next.
Not by abandoning its roots, but by embracing a more premium, rugged, and modern identity that better reflects what today's buyers are looking for. If Land Rover ever introduced something that looked even close to this, I think it would instantly attract buyers considering others. Because first impressions matter, and this design makes one. The 2027 Discovery Sport wouldn't need to become the biggest SUV in the lineup. It would simply need to become the most confident version of itself. And judging by this concept, I think that's exactly the direction it should go. What do you think? Would you choose this over the current Discovery Sport or one of its German rivals? Let me know in the comments below.